Well, hello there, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T Mike here on Toledo Bend Lake. I'm making another video today. Today is going to be a great video. I've been waiting a long time to make this one. This one's all about T Mike's new website. That's right. T Mike's got a website. TMikesVintageOutboards.com. I've been working on it for a while. I got everything fine-tuned, ready to publicize. So I'm letting the word out right now. All right, this is going to be a 6-part video. Okay, the 6 parts are going to be the link to my shopping. All right, parts to be made. There's going to be a link on there on the website for restorations. We're going to talk about that. The 3rd part is going to be a parts broker link on the website. All right, we're going to talk about that one. Then there's also a link for technical consulting. Cool. There's a link for videos to my YouTube channel. And there's also a link for the mail-in repair service. So we're going to talk about all 6 of these things about T Mike's website. And it's all there for you guys. If everybody's ready, here we go. Alright, so part 1 is shopping parts on my website. So if you follow me on YouTube, if you're a subscriber, or on Facebook, you know what my mission is. My mission for Vintage Outboards is to have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals you need to restore, repair, or service your vintage outboard motor. And I've got that. I've got all the parts that you would need for your vintage motors, and I've been selling them on my eBay site. Well, I decided to start selling them on my website. All right, sell the same parts on my website, and here's part of the reason why. On eBay, you pay sales tax. If you're out of state and you don't have a location there, but you sell over $100,000 worth, you have to charge sales tax. In my case, on my website, I don't do $100,000 of work on any state in this country, so I don't have to charge you tax. My store location is in Louisiana. If you're not in Louisiana and you buy on my website, no tax. If you buy on my eBay store, I have to charge you tax. So you get an automatic 7 to 10% discount by buying from T Mike's website store on the same parts you would get on my eBay store. Now you can still buy them on my eBay store, but on T Mike's website store, 10% savings. All right, so I have all that. Some of my best sellers that I have in my store, I have everything you need, and most of them are on the links right down below in the description. My website store is there, and all these parts are. I mean, I have all the kits, I have all the ignition kits, I have all the gear case kits, I have all the carb kits, I have all the kits that you need for your vintage outboard motor, listed by part numbers. I also sell some of the best sellers. I sell spark wires. You need spark wires all made up, tested, they're good to go. You need the individual parts. I have the coils, I have the plugs, spark plugs, I have the impellers individually if you just need that. All right, and I also have specialty products, and they do very well on eBay. I sell conversion kits to convert your Johnson or Everoods to single line, from dual line to single line, the bypass cover. I sell the fuel pump. The kit has everything you need. All right, very good seller. I also have a few industrious people that produce parts from me. I have a gentleman that makes flush kits for me. You can actually take this kit, put it on your gear case, put a garden hose to it, and run it without having to put it in a barrel. Pretty unique, very unique. All right. I also have some engineers up in Chicago that are 3D printing parts from me. You can get the tiller handles. There's the Evinrude. There's the Johnson tiller handles. They don't make these anymore, but I got them made for 3D printing. They also make me the bumper kits, little bumpers that go inside the Johnson hoods. Make those. They make a lot of plastic parts for me. They're all in my store. Okay, so that's concludes the part one on the store. All the parts that you were buying from eBay, I would recommend you come through my store now to get them for a savings. Same parts, same shipping, same refund policy. Everything is the same. T Mike store. All right, moving over to part two now. Okay, part two, restorations. So I've been doing this restoration work for 8 or 9 years now. I have my master list right here of restorations. I'm on number 157 for Joel. That's it, all laid out right here. Every restoration I do gets completely taken apart, completely cleaned, rebuilt, painted, decaled, tested with a video, completely redone, made to look brand new, made to run like new. And I'm on number 157. I have out to number 164, so I have 8 restorations ahead of me right now. Be honest with you, it's a 1 year wait at least if you want to send me your motor, and I still have people sending me motor. I have one coming in the shipping to me probably next week. So if you want to do a restoration work, just click on the link for restorations. You'll see what I have there. I have my full restore is $1,500. My mechanical restore, everything with paint and decal, is $1,250, and my cosmetic restore is $950. That's just paint and decals, not made to run. So if you're interested in a restoration, just click on the link, send me your information, and we'll work with you. Love my restoration work. I'm just by myself here doing it, so it's kind of slow, but the product is good. So that's part two. Let's move on to part three now. Okay, part three, parts broker. So the parts broker link on my webpage gives you access to a form to fill out. The form asks you your name, your email address, your phone number, your shipping address, asks you the year, model, horsepower, brand of your motor, and then the specific part that you need. So it's worked out pretty good for people that can't find their parts. I have a unique talent for finding hard to find parts, and I have a lot of parts. So if you're out there and you're having trouble finding your parts, just click on the parts broker link and let T Mike find your part for you. All right, once I find the part, I'll send you a link either to my website store that has the part, or a direct invoice if it's multiple parts, which works pretty good. If you want several parts and you want it all shipped together in one order, just click on the parts broker link on my website, and I can put your order together for the whole kit. It all comes to you at one time. It's working pretty good. I got several customers that I've helped out with their parts before, and I love doing it. I love helping people. It's part of my pay it forward. So that's the parts broker. That's part three. Let's move on to part four now. All right, part four, technical consulting. So as you can imagine, I get a lot of calls, a lot of questions, and I love taking questions. I love helping people, but sometimes it gets to where I'm working on a motor, or I'm busy, I'm out on the water running a motor, and I can't answer my calls. So the website has helped me out a lot. I have a link for technical consulting. Okay, so you click on this link, it brings you to a page. It has a donations tab for you to send a little money to T Mike for the help I'm providing for you, and then you provide some information and the technical question that you want, and I answer you back via email. So it's worked out pretty good. I've helped a lot of people. I'm either on the phone a lot or work on motors a lot. I can't answer every call, so if you go to voicemail, you might get a text message asking you to go to the link to ask your question. So I love helping people. The technical consulting link works really well because it has a paper trail of the question and the problem you're working on, so I can look back and help you with multiple answers. So if you have a question and I don't answer my phone, please click on the technical consulting link and put your question, and I will get back to you. I promise you. All right, so that takes care of the technical consulting. Okay, part 5, videos. I have a link on my website for videos. As you might imagine, it goes to my YouTube channel. I have over 500 videos now and almost 12,000 subscribers. Unbelievable. I love it. I've only been doing it for 2 years now, and it's really catching on. I've helped a lot of people. I love making the videos. I'll make one almost every day, either a short or a video or a live stream. So just basically, if you want to see my YouTube channel, click on the video link. It'll bring you straight into my YouTube channel and subscribe to it. So join the T-Mike family of vintage outboard motor fans, and we'll have all fun together. So that takes care of the video thing. We only have one more link left to go. Here we go. All right, part 6, T-Mike's mail-in repair service. So the mail-in repair service program has been a big hit. I got people sending me their parts to repair. Here's one right here that got sent to me, a carburetor. Right, so carburetor, magneto, gear case, mail-in repair service. Just stick it in a box, ship it to me. I'll rebuild it, test it, put it on my test motors outside. I have all the test motors I need to work on this. Put it on my test motor, make a video, put it back in the box, ship it back to you. I've even had people send me the entire power head with the magnetos and carburetors on it, and I would test it and ship it back to them. That's a pretty good trick. Another good trick is if you want to send me your gear case, you can take the drive shaft off of it. If it's a bad clutch dog or something like that, take the drive shaft off of it. Easier to ship. I have drive shafts here. I'm doing one right now for Michael. He sent me his gear case with a bad clutch dog without the drive shaft on it. I got to put the drive shaft on it after I fixed it, put it on my 18 horsepower, and testing it right now. So the mail-in repair service was really good. Just click on the link, all right, fill in the information, submit it to me. I'll respond with the price quote, the address to ship it to, and the turnaround time. So T-Mike's mail-in service repair. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Keep it coming to me. All right, that concludes part 6 of the T-Mike's mail-in repair service program. All right, well, that concludes the video on T-Mike's new website. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it. So whether you want to shop for parts, you have a restoration that you want done, you need to look for parts for you under the parts broker system, technical consulting question, or you want to access my YouTube channel, or you want to have a mail-in repair item sent to me, my website, T-Mike's website, can handle it all. I enjoyed it, and listen, remember, always remember, never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.